I'm Mary Helen Mall, and I live here in Fresno, California. This is my grandson,
Kevin Fikes.
and he lives in Clovis. And today I decided to introduce him to this hardware store that I first became acquainted with about 25 years ago when I was looking for a device to hold up my bookshelf. And I was told that they didn't make those anymore. And someone told me to go to the National Hardware and describe what it looked like. And I came in here and it was just so full of everything. And I walked up to the man and asked him if he had any of these, and he said, "Sure, how many do you need?" And I didn't have to buy 50 of them to just get one or two. And I've come back here for different size filters for my air conditioner, and anytime there's something that you can't find, you can find it here. And so I'm showing Kevin today, we need a stem for this doorknob, and I said, let's go over there and see what they can do. And they have something that'll fit.
And luckily enough, we came in here and within 2.5 minutes, we'd already found what we needed. Perfect fit. So I'm just gonna go home, cut this, and use it for whatever I need to do. I would say that the uniqueness of this store really is,
It's a place to hang out.
yeah, it's because of the personable employees that work here. You know, they really do their all to help you find what you need and feel like you're part of the store in a sense. You know, but yeah, and it's jam-packed full of stuff in here. It's to the ceiling.
Yes. And they must have to memorize a map to know where everything is.
Yeah, I didn't expect to find this here actually. I kind of was like, well,
Oh yeah,
who knows?
I
And
know.
then we got here and I'm like, well, all right.
Grandma's lost.
Grandma's place, you know, sure, who knows?
If you're looking for a real experience, whether you have to buy something or not, just come in and walk around and get acquainted with the fellows who work here and look at all the things that you can see. And you can always come here and find that one little knob or whatever it is. And plus it's just worth the trip to see what's going on in here.